So in this video we are going to discuss switch case, right? Switch case mean it is like if condition, but when you have multiple condition to check on one variable, then we can use switch case. It is better, right? So switch case statement is used when we have number of option, and we may need to perform different tasks for each choice. Each choice will have different tasks. So keyword is we are using switch keyword, then after inside bracket we are going to put the conditional variable. This is our variable to check. Then after this case mean condition, right? So we are going to check for each and every condition. Then if condition is true, then it will execute this code. And also there is a break keyword. Break keyword is optional, but if you want you can use that one also, right? So here also you can see we have case 1 true, it will execute this one. If break keyword is there, after executing this statement it will stop, otherwise it will execute remaining all the content. We'll do this, we'll check with this with the example, right? I'm going to create one class here, public class switch case, public static void main string args, right? Now think we have a variable integer number which is equal to 20. We have switch, so I'm going to put condition variable as a num, then case will be 1. If number is equal to 1, it will output system.out.println 1. Otherwise, second case, if number is equal to 12, it will output system.out.println 12. Or else case is equal to 20. This time system.out.println 20. Again I am going to put another case is equal to 23, system.out.println 23. And if any of these cases are in true, that means all the cases are false, then there will be a default one. Like if else condition, we have else part, here we have default condition. System.out.println all conditions are false, right? Now we will run this program. So here you can see we have one variable, conditional variable is number, that means 20. Case 1, if this number is equal to 1, it will execute this one. If number is 12, it will execute this line or else this line. Otherwise it will execute default if all these conditions are false. Now as I told, if you want you can use break keyword, otherwise no need. Let's see the use of break keyword after compiling this code. Now you can see it is not gonna print 1. It is not going to print 1, but it is printing 20 because our number is what? 20. 20, it will execute this line. Then not all the remaining lines are going to print 23 and all conditions are false. That means this line also. Reason is what? We haven't used break keyword. So if you aren't going to use break keyword, if one condition is true, it will treat all other conditions also as a true statement. Because of that, we are using break keyword most of time after each and every case. So it depends on the requirement of your code, but it is better to use break keyword after each and every condition output. No need to put break keyword for the default because it is the last one. If you want you can, no issue. Now let's compile and output will be 20 only. It is not going to print remaining part because after 20 we have break keyword. Okay, so we'll do one example. I'm going to check a vowel, whether given number is vowel or not. control S, world check dot java, public class string args. Right, now we are going to check for the letter, right? That means our letter will be equal to something like A. So what are the vowel letters? Letters are A, E, I, O, U. Then inside switch I am going to check for this variable. Switch, we are going to check for the letter. So we write case, first one will be simple A. Now we are going to check for the 5 letters. Because of that I am going to write all the letters B, A, E, O, U. Like this you can write for the capital letters also. Case A, E, case I, case O, and case U. So if any of these cases are true, then we can print output system.out.println letter is a vowel. Otherwise we can print default part. So default condition will be system.out.println not a vowel. Right, so what will be the output here? Letter is A, that means it will definitely print letter is vowel. But what will happen if I change this into K? Now we haven't written any case for this one, that means it will execute default part. Right here you can see we haven't written any case for letter K. Because of that it will print not a vowel. Okay, so like this it will work. You can use switch case to make simple calculator, right? So try to create simple calculator using switch case as exercise. You can check, you can get a letter, for example operator as a plus minus character. Then after you can check if it is true, then you can do the remaining calculation. Okay, so if you have any question you can comment down. We'll meet with the new video.